about midnight. And we're at the unit. Car's now fully undersealed. Everywhere.
Because obviously we videoed the underneath being undersealed, but I hadn't got round to doing the back end and the stone garden, the rear inner arches, and along where the bumper goes.
So everything is now rust free and stone guarded. To be fair, it's really good at filming dark areas, this camera. So yeah, that is all done. Doors off. Charlie sort of prepped the inside the door shuts ready for paint.
Yes.
I've painted more pink stuff. Finally got the other bonnet over here. I don't even know.
Pretty much just before doing the painting the door shuts, just need to do a little bit of rust treatment with some crust, and then
yeah, it's a little bit rusty where the old hinges were.
Yeah, so I've ground it all down. It's better to treat it now, obviously.
But sunroof is back out as well, ready for paint. Everything's masked up.
Yeah, pretty much everything's masked up. Then I can do the sort of one by one. I'll do sort of door shuts and quarter in one, and I'll do the roof in another one, quarter in another one. And then obviously arches and back end is all going to be colour coded. All the rear shots going to be colour coded.
This quarter is all now done and in paint. Is that underseal?
Primer, yeah.
Yeah,
Stone guard. Yeah, it's only a little bit. Just comes from the inside.
Okay.
But yeah, this is all sanded, ready to be painted.
So slowly things are getting to the stage where they're starting to look like we are making progress and not making things worse anymore.
Yes. Hopefully nearly come back together. So the moment stuff's painted like quarters, stuff can be pretty much getting bottled line back together. The moment I've done the rear inner arches, all the pink stuff can start going back under the car. I just gotta be bothered to put all the pink stuff on and have to mask it all. Mask everything, all the pink stuff that we've just painted to cover up the blue. So I was like, we'll do all the blue first and then bolt everything on. Which makes sense.
Yeah. So tomorrow we're sorting out that rust.
Yes.
Scotching the door shuts.
Yes.
You're painting the inner arches at the rear blue and the back of the car.
Blue, and then the back end.
Yeah.
Pretty much everything I stone guarded today. Rear arches, back end, and then see how we go from there. I'm gonna clear coat over them as well. But yeah.
So that'll then be that done. I've got more stuff to. Most of this is pretty much done. Both my crash bars need another coat of pink, and then I need to do this pile of arms and whatnot there. So yeah.
And then when the rear arches are done, then I'll start putting some stuff back under the car to reduce some of the mess.
Like heat shields, fuel tank,
and bits and pieces.
Stuff.
I can put your rear subframe back together and put your subframe on. So, progress. Going strong. I feel like it's day 52 before we got out. And we've got 52 days left. I don't even know how many days we've got left.
I don't know, I don't want to think about it.
You don't want to think about it? How do you think I feel? It looks good, right?
Yeah. Just trying to do some little cinematics.
The only quibble I have with you doing this
What?
is you left these on.
Yeah, they look like they were too rusty to get off. Is that a problem?
I mean, it's not a problem, but they are grounds.
Oh. No, they're pink.
The only quibble. Yeah, I want to take all this off, but it's a bad idea. It's not going to have to be gummed up again. But I want to see the blue against the pink.
Yeah. Right, when we're here tomorrow, I'm going to try to actually film when we're actually doing stuff.
Yeah.
It's all just been a bit mad lately. Do, 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 do. Right, reset please, little gimbal, thanks. My boot ninjas.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said.
My boot hinges.
Yeah.
What about them? Oh, I didn't mean to zoom. Oh, I'm actually not in that shot, sorry love. Hang on. Come on, little gimbal! Oh,
Press it.